Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine at home. Good afternoon. Am I right? All of you are fine? Okay, very good. Now again I am here, your maths teacher, teaching you math. Okay, and we are doing the third chapter. And what we have done in our last lectures, we have done counting on abacus. Okay, so two questions we have already done. What are those questions? That the number is given and we have drawn the beads on abacus, and in another question the beads are given in the abacus and we count the number of beads and accordingly we find the number, that what number is that. So first we will revise what we have done in our last lecture. So we will solve two questions. Okay, first we will revise. What we will revise? Counting on abacus. I hope all of you know. So today what we will do? I will give you two questions. Okay, I will give you two questions. In one question I will draw the beads on the abacus and you find out that which number will form. Okay, and you write its number name also. In second question what I will do? I will give you the number and you have to draw that number on the abacus using a beads. Are you ready? Are you ready for solving two questions? Today I am giving you test. It is a test for you. 5 marks each question. I am giving you two questions. Okay, so are you ready to do solve questions? Are you ready? Ready? So keep your thumb up, all of you. Ready? Okay. So take out new page in your copy and write today's date. Okay. What you are going to do? You have to take out new page in your copy, in your notebook. Okay. And don't take help of your parents. Okay. Don't ask to your parents. I know all of you are good enough to solve the question. You know how to solve the question. Okay. So what you are going to write? Test. So today I am going to take your test. Okay. So what you are going to write in one question? In first question, what you have to? You have to count the beads on abacus. Count the beads on abacus. Okay. This is your first question. What is your first question? Count the beads on abacus. So this is your question. Don't take your mama help. Okay, solve yourself. Okay, so write here number. Which number will form? Okay, this is your first question. This is your first question. So write the question and solve it. Okay. Don't take help of your parents. Do yourself. Why? Because this is your test. This is your test. If both the question you do correctly, you will get 10 marks. Okay. If you do both the question correctly, you will get 10 marks. And second question I am writing here. What is the second question? You have to draw the beads. You have to draw the beads on abacus. What is the second question? You have to draw the beads on abacus. The second question is you have to draw the beads on abacus. So this is your abacus. This is T. This is O. And this is your number. This is your number. Okay. Start writing the test. I will give you only 2 minutes. Only 2 minutes. So write fast. 1 minute for this question and 1 minute for this question. Your time starts now. Okay. So fast. This is a test. So solve these two questions. In one question, you have to count the beads on abacus and you have to find the number, that which number will form. Okay. And in second question, what you have to do? You have to draw the beads on abacus and the number is given 8787. First question all of you have finished? All of you have finished? Afterwards I will write the answer also. Okay, and when I am writing the answer, you check in your copy. Okay, and you do keep right. Okay, you mark right. Okay, all of you have the first question. All of you have done the first question. Now do the second question. Draw the beads on abacus. Draw the beads on abacus. Fast and write neatly. Write neatly, all of you. Okay, now I hope all of you have done your test. Isn't it? May I write the answer? May I write the answer on the board? Yes or no? No, some are writing. Very slowly you are writing. So write fast. I have given you only 2 minutes and your 2 minutes are over. Okay. Now I will write the answer on the board and if you have done right, if you have done correct, so put a right on it. Okay. So let's count how many beads are here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many beads? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So have you written here 6? Yes, very good. What is, how many beads are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again 1, 2, 3, 4. So 46. How many of you have done it right? So mark right this side. Okay, mark right and clap for yourself. Very good students, very good. Now let's check the second question, whether you have done the second question correct or not. So what is the number here? 7. So how many beads you have drawn here? Check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 beads draw किया आपने? Very good. Now 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. Have you drawn the 8 beads? Very good. So put right here. Very good. All of you have done both the questions right. Both the questions are correct. So again clap for yourself. Clap, clap, clap. Very good. Now send me these 2 questions. Okay. Take a clip, photo clip, snap of these 2 questions and send me on my WhatsApp number. Okay. Now let's start the new topic. Open your books, all of you. Enjoying the test? Okay, very good. Now open page number 43 in your book. Page number 4343. Which page you have to open? 43. Open page number 43. Page number 43. And the first question on that page. Question 1. Are you able to see this? So this is your homework. Okay, you have to write the counting from 1 to 50. What you have to do in this question? You have to write numbers from 1 to 50. You have to write the counting numbers from 1 to 50. So this is your homework. Write homework on the top. And this homework you have to do in book only. Okay, don't do this homework in your notebook. Do this in, because the sufficient space is given in your book. So you have to complete this homework in your book only. Okay, so this is your today's homework. You have to complete the first question. You have to complete the question number 1, counting from 1 to 50. Okay, now the next question I am writing on the board and you copy from the board. So you take out new page and write today's date. Take out new page and on test also you write today's date. टेस्ट किया ना, उसमें भी आज की डेट डालेंगे एंड टॉपिक दैट वी आर राइटिंग जस्ट नाउ ऑन दैट पेज ऑल्सो यू हैव टू राइट टूडेज डेट एंड स्टार्ट राइटिंग फ्रॉम न्यू पेज. ओके, स्टार्ट राइटिंग फ्रॉम न्यू पेज. सो व्हाट इज आवर टूडेज टॉपिक? टूडेज क्वेश्चन इज write the numbers, write the numbers, copy the question from the board, write the numbers in order, write the numbers in order. What is our question? That you have to write the number in order. Copy the question from the board, write the numbers in order. So first copy all the question, then one by one we will solve it. A, B, C, D and E. 5 questions are there. A, B, C, D and leave one box after writing A. After writing A, you have to, after writing the question also leave one box and start writing A. Then after writing A, again leave one box and write B. So for each question you have to leave one box. How many boxes are there? 4. So first write the question. Okay, so first all of you keep your pencils down and look towards. Look here, don't stop writing and look here. So what is the first question? A. Which number is given? 4141. And after this how many boxes are given? 3 boxes are given. After that how many boxes are given? 3 boxes. 1, 2, 3. After 3 boxes are given, that means you have to write 3 number after 4141. Okay. The boxes are given after the number, that means we have to write the after number. And how many numbers we have to write? 3 numbers. Why? Because 3 boxes are given. Okay. So 4 1 41. Now which number will come after 4 1 41? 4 2 42. 4 2 42. Now which number will come after 4 2 42? Which number? 4 3 43. 4 3 43. Now which number will come after 4 3 43? 4 4 44. 4 4 44. So in question A, the only one number is given, that is 41, and after 41 3 boxes are empty. So what we have done, we have written 3 numbers after 41. So 3 numbers after 41 are 42, 43 and 44. Okay. So copy this in your notebook. First question. Now see the second, B. In B, one number is given and number is 4 6 46. What is the number? 4 6 46, and this number is given in the middle, and before box is also empty and after box are also empty. Before 46 one box is empty and after 46 two boxes are empty. Okay, so what we have to fill one box this side and two box this side. So if this box is empty, that means we have to write one number before 46. Okay, इसके पहले वाला बॉक्स खाली है, इसलिए क्या करेंगे, इसके बिफोर नंबर लिखेंगे, एक पहले वाला नंबर लिखेंगे, और अगर उसके आगे के बॉक्स खाली है, देन वी हैव टू राइट इट्स आफ्टर नंबर. ओके, सो वन बॉक्स इज empty before 46, that means we have to write a number that comes before 4 6 46. So which number will come before 4 6 46? Which number? Very good. Say 4 5 45. 4 5 45. Why we have written here 4 5 45? Because it's before, उसके पहले वाला बॉक्स खाली है, that's why we have to write the before number. Now after number, in this box we have to write after number. Why? Because the box are empty after 46. So which number will come after 46? Which number will come after 46? 47. 4 7 47. 4 7 47. Now which number will come after 4 7 47? Which number will come? 48. 4 8 48. 4 8 48. Now let's read the order of the number. 4 5 45. 4 6 46. 4 7 47. 4 8 48. Very good. So copy this from the board. Copy this question from the board. Now the next question, C. The next question, C. Again the one number is given 12, and after this 12 3 boxes are empty. After, that means what I said, after, that means आपको इसके आगे के नंबर लिखने हैं. Okay, because the boxes are empty after 12, so we have to fill the 3 boxes by after number that are coming after 12. So which number will come after 12? The number that come after 12 is 13. Very good. Now which number will come after 13? Which number will come after 13? 14. Very good. Now which number will come after 14? 15. Very good. Now copy this question from the board. C. Copy it from the board. Copied? Very good. Now the next question, that is D. So in D also the number given is 3333. Which number is given? 3333. So, and how many boxes are empty? 3 boxes are empty, and these boxes are also after box. These boxes are also, these empty boxes are after 33. So what we have to write? We have to write 3 numbers after 33. We have to write 3 numbers after 33. So which number will come after 33? 34. The number after 33 is 34. Now which number will come after 34? Say 3, 5, 35. The number that come after 34 is 35. And which number will come after 35? 36. The number that come after 35 is 36. Very good. Now copy this question also from the board. Copy this question from the board. All of you have copied? Very good. Now the last, E. In last question, first the 3 boxes are empty. These boxes are empty, khali hai. And after these boxes, one number is written. And what is that number? 3333. Which number is this? 3333. And before 33, 3 boxes are empty. So what we are going to write? We have to write the number before 33. The number before 33. So we have to write 3 numbers that come before 33. So shall we start writing from here or from here? We start writing from here, because we have to write first the number that just come before 33. So which number will come before 33? 32. 32. We don't write 32 here. Okay? Because we are writing before number. So the number that come before 33 will come here, not here. Okay? So 32 will come here. Now which number will come before 32? The number that come before 32 is 31. The number that come before 32 is 31. Now what we have to write? We have to write the number that come before 31. Which number is that? That come before 31? 3030. 3030. Now let's read the number, whether this number is in order or not. Read करके देखें order में है कि नहीं. 3030, 3131, 3232, 3333. Yes, this number is in order. Now copy this question also from the board. Copy this question from the board. Now I will give you one question, okay, and you do that question in your notebook. Write F. और ये आपको सॉल्व करना है, ओके. दिस क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू सॉल्व. I am writing here 5555. This you have to solve, okay. आपको करना है. Next G. And just now you have to do. अभी करना है, okay. Next is H. Are you able to do? आप कर लेंगे? All the students, Are you able to do the question or not? Are you able to fill the boxes or not? Okay. So write it. These 3 questions you have to fill. You have to fill the boxes of these 3 questions and write the numbers in order. Form the order of a number. Okay. Do yourself these 3 questions. So copy the question fast from the board because these questions are not given in your book. So these are extra questions that I have given you to solve. Copy the question. One more question. I ate 84. Okay. So 4 questions I have given you. So you do these 4 questions yourself. Okay. Don't take the help of your parents. I know all of you know counting because we have written counting till 100 and now all of you know the order of a number, that in which form the number comes. If box is given before the number, that means you have to write the before number. If box is given after number, then you have to write the after number. If 2 boxes are given before, then you have to write 2 number before the given number. If one box is given, that means you have to write only 1 number. Okay. So you copy this question. Now we will continue the next topic in our next lecture. So complete your work till here, okay, and do the homework that I have given you on the same page, page number 43. A table is given and you have to fill a table writing a number from 1 to 50, and that homework you have to do in your book only. Don't do that homework in your notebook. Okay, and fill these boxes. This is also your homework. Okay, so thank you students. Bye.